Hey, how's it going? Welcome to episode 1 of Dining with Diaz. Today, I'm going to take you to HiBoy. This is a Kansas City favorite. It's been around forever, 40 years or so, I believe. And they sell like burgers and shakes, onion rings, fries, chicken sandwiches, things like that. So come along with me.
How many is it, please?
Yes, can I do the double cheese, please?
And a double cheese, anything else for you?
And then also, can I do an order of tater tots, an order of the mozzarella sticks?
Can you dipping sauce with those?
Can I do ranch, please? And marinara. And then can I also get, can I go ahead and make it another double cheese, please, with no onion on either of those sandwiches? And then I also do have a Facebook coupon.
Say coupon.
Yes, please.
You got a mozzarella, 2 double cheese, no onion, regular tot, and ranch and marinara on those sauces. Anything else for you?
And then can I also do a 32-ounce Coke Zero with light ice, please?
And I have a large Coke Zero light ice. Anything else for you?
That'll be it.
Here.
Thank you. So how's everyone's weekend going? It is currently 33 degrees here in Missouri. And believe it or not, it's actually a lot warmer than it has been because it's been like negative for the last week. It's been pretty rough. And me personally, I am not a fan of winter. I'm ready for spring and summer. And my dogs are too. All right. So we have a couple people in front of us. I have been here before. They do have really good burgers. And I gotta use that coupon. It's buy 1 sandwich and 2 regular price items, and then get 1 sandwich for free. So had to do it, get some leftovers. They have really good shakes here too, but I like to have soda with my meal, so we'll maybe try that next time. So how's everyone's new year going? I know been pretty hectic, for the holidays and Christmas and New Year's, and then just everyone going back to work and just getting back into the swing of things. I know it was for me, but just got to do it. That's all you can do, really. Just got to deal with the cold. So I'm just out and about today, just doing some errands on my day off. I'm gonna go to the grocery store, get some gas. I like going to the thrift store. So I'm check that out and see what they got today after I eat. And then of course got to go get my scratch off tickets. Hopefully get a lucky one. We're almost there. This place makes them fresh, so it does take a minute, but I do not mind that. So here we go, almost there. Get my card ready. Hey, how you doing?
Good, and you?
Good. It's $23 for 2 sandwiches, a soda, and 2 sides. And that's with the free sandwich with the coupon. They're pretty high, but it's worth it. It's pretty good stuff. Here's their sign. Thank you. Yeah. Straws in the bag?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. All right, you too. We got the goods. I don't know if I can turn this around to see the other side. Oh, it's not gonna let me. So let's go find a place to park. Perfect. All right. Put my card back in my wallet before I forget. All right, so we got 2 bags here. And then we have my Coke Zero, large, 32 ounce. And then this is the logo of HiBoy. Been coming here since I was a kid. My mom would bring me and my brother, my family here. Alright. So we got napkins. We have some tater tots. This little bag. Let's check it out. Very fresh. You know, you gotta get a bag fry or bag tot. This is what the burger comes in. Ooh. And these are smash burgers. So they're really flat. But they are so good. So there's the meat. And then ketchup, pickle, and the cheese is there. Yes. And it's super hot, so can't wait to try that. Let's see what we got in bag 2. Got this little box. Let's see what's in there. Oh yeah, it's mozzarella sticks. And they are fresh and hot. We'll try those with the marinara sauce. More napkins, you can never have enough. And then the other burger, that's exactly the same, that I will probably save for later. You never know. This is my first meal of the day, so pretty hungry. All right, let's try this Coke Zero. It's light ice. Got to get the most out of your soda. Really good fountain drinks. No, we can't forget dipping sauces. We got ranch and marinara. All right. And that is everything. Let's dig in. All right. already tried these, but they are super good. Big fan of tater tots. Here's some ranch. Dipping it in. They have super good ranch. All right, now we got some marinara sauce for our mozzarella sticks. Does anyone else lick the lid? All right, let's see. Let's get one of these mozzarella sticks. Super hot and fresh. Let's get this dip. And the dip is cold. I am used to it being hot, but that's all right. The mozzarella stick is piping hot, so that'll be okay. Ooh, look at that. Good stuff. Let's try it. Very good. Going for another helping. Here we go. Look at that cheese. Can never have enough sauce. All right. Moment of truth. Let's try this burger out. I leave it in the foil because it saves a mess. Let's try this meat. Oh yeah. And this is super fresh, so you can't go wrong with that. All right, guys, here it is. And it's a double, so it's got 2 of these smashed patties. See that? Super good. All right. Let's go for the good bite. That was awesome. This is super good. Gotta get a tot. And a nice drink. Cheers, everybody. And this is a very large sandwich. This might be, you could eat half of this for lunch and the rest for dinner. But I'm pretty hungry, so I will definitely eat this whole thing. So today is a big day for the local NFL team, the Chiefs. They're up in Buffalo. I'm gonna play the Buffalo Bills today to see who's gonna go to the AFC Championship. So I'll be watching that later today. You can never go wrong with Coke Zero. People might say, why don't you just get regular Coke? Well, I actually like the taste of Coke Zero. Regular Coke is good too, but there's also a ton of sugar in that, so I'll stick with my Coke Zero. And I'm a big fan of pickles, so gotta love a pickle, especially with ketchup. Man, this is definitely hitting the spot. Super fresh, like I said. And it's definitely what I need on this super cold day to warm up. I did read on the sign on the drive-thru that they have taken out onion rings, which is super disappointing because I grew up eating those onion rings all the time. I'm not sure if that is just this location or if it's all of them that are around here. There's 3 locations, I believe. But they are owned by separate people, so maybe that's, I can go to a different one next time and get some onion rings. Here's another shot of that. Look how big that burger is. Super good. Let's get another cheese stick. Look at that. Super crispy, still hot, very good. I will say, I'm not a fan of the marinara sauce being cold. So if I had the option to take this home, I would definitely heat up that marinara sauce because it does kind of bring the flavor down of the hot mozzarella stick down, but gotta do what you can. So like I said, I'm gonna go to the thrift store after this. Some things I'm hoping to find are things from my home. Some cool curtains or some things I can hang on the wall. I'm always looking for stuff for my walls. They're still pretty empty. I've only been in my house for about a year and 3 months, 3 or 4 months or so. So still adding things daily. So excuse me. So my review of HiBoy, and I'm at the one in Independence because they have longer hours. One of them's closed today, one of them closes at 4, and then this one stays open till 9. So all around my review of HiBoy. So we have the Coke Zero, the double cheese, the mozzarella stick with marinara sauce, and the crispy golden tater tot. I'm gonna do 9 out of 10. It was all good, very hot, very fresh. Like I said, it is pretty pricey, but luckily I had that coupon, so that took off almost $10. So that's huge. So all in all, these 4 items, actually 5 items with the free sandwich was $23. That's really not bad because this is enough food for 2 people. So I'll definitely be saving some. So definitely 9 out of 10. So, and I also want to hear what you guys would order at HiBoy. They also have shakes. I definitely want to try that next time. I'm a big ice cream fan, so, and it really doesn't matter if it's cold or hot. I will eat ice cream at any temperature. So, yeah, put in the comments what you guys would order, and also what I should eat next. I'm going around Kansas City, trying all different places, mostly hometown places, not necessarily big chains right now, because I want to try these smaller spots that are more mom and pop-ish. So yeah, just put in the comments what you guys think I should eat, and I will see you guys next time. And remember, wherever you are in the world, be kind. All right, peace, guys.